Hey friends, welcome to the next episode of Easy-Peasy Theory. Today, let us discuss the concept of Chora. Guys, do you know what is Chora? And who talked about it? It is Julia Kristeva. The concept of Chora was developed by Kristeva to describe the pre-linguistic and pre-conceptual experiences of infants. Before an infant enters the realm of language, before he starts to understand the concepts, that stage is called Chora. That is, before they acquire language and logical thinking. At that time, everything is in a state of flux. It could be called semiotic. And Chora is the space where the boundaries between subject and object, boundaries between the self and the other are all blurred. There is no boundary, no self and other, no inside, outside, no right and wrong. Because all these distinctions and boundaries are in the realm of language. But Chora is the realm of the unconscious. The sight of the unconscious, of drives and affective states, emotional affective states that are not yet expressed in language. I hope you follow me. Julia Kristeva coined the term Chora, used the term Chora actually to refer to the maternal body, the body of the mother. That is a source of nurturing as well as transformation. The body of the mother is generative because it creates. The maternal body is nurturing, the site of transformation. It is generative. It creates, but at the same time it is disruptive because it is like the womb. Here everything is in like a state of fluid. Kristeva is talking about the Chora, suggesting that the mother's bond with the child, the mother-child bond, is an example of what happens in the Chora, where there is a flow of communication that is not confined to any fixed meaning or any fixed identity. Because fixed meanings and identities are the realm of language. But Chora is dynamic. Chora is a dynamic, fluid space. Chora challenges the binary oppositions and structures that are usually associated with patriarchy. Patriarchal structures rely on fixed identity and communication. But look at this. Chora challenges the binary oppositions of patriarchy. So, Chora refers to all that is fluid and unfixed in women's experience and writing. I hope you understood the meaning of Chora. It is very important in feminist literary theory. Thank you. See you soon in more Easy-Peasy videos.